Ricky Brooks here. I'm the owner of a small row house in the city of Philadelphia. The property is located in the 2200 block of North Chadwick Street. In the description section below this video is a link to additional photos of my house boiler, which I am in need of someone to come and replace it, which is the purpose of this video, to let you know where I am, what the situation is, and what I'm looking to get done about it. The boiler has been inoperable for over a year. When a different contractor was hired to do some kitchen work, he did not last too long. While he was here, he cut lines to various radiators in the house and drained the boiler in the process. I did not find out about all this until he was long gone. At first I thought it might be a problem of a rusted thermocouple wire. It is what I have been told is a millivolt system. Thus far I have had 3 different people look at it, but no one recently who showed an interest in actually doing something. So serious inquiries only. A word about me. I'm a combination senior citizen / budding DIYer, which is a new career I hope to take into my golden years. I'm just starting out, which means there are a lot more things I don't know how to do than do. You are likely watching this video on my YouTube channel. I bring this up to let you know it is my intent to film everything going on as it pertains to my rehabbing and remodeling, including whatever interactions I have with contractors. So if there are any reservations when it comes to what interactions I have with you ending up on this channel, let me know up front. Even if you don't want your company name mentioned, I'll honor that as a matter of your own privacy. Not recording something is not going to prevent me from having someone come here to do something I need done. But on the other hand, should I be given complete freedom, then expect at some point to see a review by me on this channel about my experiences working with you. I believe in full transparency. If you are going to come to my house and do whatever work you do, my assumption is that viewers would want to know what my experience with that work was, good or bad. If you say you prefer not to be mentioned, then I won't. Otherwise, expect full disclosure. Look to hear from you soon.